This program contains scenes of nonsensical garbage and coarse language and is intended for a mature audience. Viewer discretion is advised.
Why, hello, my little trash bags. How are you? I am fantabulous. Why? Because I bought some shit. Let's unbox it. And this is, what are you called? The Bob and Tim vinyl plush keychain blind box from 52 Toys. And I was like, okay, first of all, I don't really give a shit about the Minions. I just don't. I tried, y'all. I tried watching the Minions movie and it just, it annoyed me, if anything. I think I need to like give it a chance again. Because I do find them really, really cute. And I love the restaurant in Universal Studios. Oh, it's so good. But when it comes to the movie, I just cannot get on board. But I do like all the merch. I think they're kind of adorable. And I'm like, okay. So when I saw this on my For You page, I really just gravitated towards the teddy bear one, which is this guy right here. And I was like, all right, maybe I should just go find that one. But then I kept seeing this and it just wormed itself into my brain. And I was like, okay, fine, universe, I will get everything. And we got everything. So here are all the little options. I'm gonna put it up on the corner here. We do have a chance of getting a potential secret. The secret is really adorable, but obviously I will be so upset if I do not get the Bob and Tim Twinsies or the Bob and Tim Rain Lover. If those are somehow replaced by the secret, I don't know if I can legally be held responsible for what I would do. Okay, so just a heads up, bitch. All right. So hold on, let me open this up. Now I bought this directly from 52 Toys because they also have like a special little thing. If you join them, you get like points and whatever. And I was like, I love points. So I got this directly from them. And I also did get another series of stuff, but we'll open that separately. Because today I literally just did this I look for another video. And I was like, if I don't open these Minions with this yellow eyeshadow, what the f am I really doing here? So that's why it was a perfect opportunity to do this. And plus, I need a little serotonin before I go to work today. Work is gonna suck donkey, okay? So I need to pep myself up. I've also had a lot of coffee this morning. Surprising nobody. Okay, let me figure out how to open this box. Okay, wait. Okay, I was trying to make it cute. I think I did it correctly. Ah, how cute. Oh my God. I just ripped it a little bit on the top, but who cares? Okay, so you get 6 boxes. So excited. 6 boxes. Ooh, they heavy boys. I'm really excited to have this because, listen, when I go to Universal Studios, I often have to, think about what bag charms I'm gonna bring. And Disney, they have so many, right? So I can literally be like, okay, Stitch, I have Chip and Dale, like I have a lot. And then you have like the mini-so ones, like there are a lot of different options. But when it comes to Universal, there really isn't that many. So normally what I bring is kind of like, other Pop Mart IPs. Sometimes Butter Bear or Shinwoo, but I've been wanting to find something that like specifically is Universal. And so when I see this, I was like, that is my permanent bag charm. Okay, so I'm gonna shut the fuck up, all right? Because people are probably like, shut up, bitch. I don't blame you. Here we go. Here's everything on the side here. Oof, what do I think this is gonna be? I kind of have a feeling this is going to be Bob and Tim bedtime stories. No, I think it's gonna be Bananas for You. I feel like it's gonna be I feel it in my stomach. It's gonna be Bananas for You. Also, look at the little pull tab. It's all bananas. Oh my God. All right, that's so cute. Ooh, satisfying. All right, I think Bob and Tim Bananas for You. Oh no, it's not, but yes, bitch. Okay. Oh, he has a little raincoat. Oh my God, shut the up. Oh, I am always gonna take him. Because when it starts raining, we both can have little ponchos. Shut up. We both can have ponchos on. Okay, look how cute he is. Oh, I love him so much. Oh, that's so sweet. Oh my God, I love you. And I guessed horribly wrong. Okay, but that's good though. I'm very happy. We have the rain lover. Oh, you are so it's disgusting how cute you are. Okay, all right, let's try box number 2. Ooh, this one feels a little heavier. I'm gonna say that this one is Bedtime Stories. Actually, wait, no, Crushing It. I think it's gonna be Crushing It. No, which one are you? Oh, okay. Bitch. Okay, so I'm not quite psychic, right? But like, look at this Bananas for You. Oh my God, shut the f up. That is so cute. I can't. That is Oh, you are so cute. I can't. I'm so glad that I got you. Oh wait, ew, what's on your eyeball? Oh, okay, never mind. It was a fuzzy. You are so cute. Also, sorry if I looked at you differently. I was like, who the fuck are you? Also, oh my God. All right, love the cards. The cards are super cute. Okay, I am horrible today, but it's okay though. Let's finish out the row. What do I think this is gonna be? All right, so we have Rain Lover, Bananas for You. I want this to be the twinsies so badly. Is this gonna be the twinsies? I have a feeling this is gonna be bedtime stories. I feel like this is gonna be bedtime stories, but I hope secretly it's twinsies. Bitch! I was not even close because I was looking at this one and I didn't trust my gut. Okay. Oh, he's working out. Oh, I can't. Shut up. Oh my God. Okay, first of all, Alex has been going to the gym. I know I should be going to the gym too, but like, I don't feel like it, okay? Anyway, but when I feel like it, actually, no, I would never take you there. You're too good for that place. You can't have sweat and chemicals on you, buddy. Okay, no. But if we lived in a world where there was nobody else and I had to go to the gym, you'd be with me. Okay. Oh, he's so cute. I can't even handle that. Oh, I love these. Also, that is so much. That is so many little packets. Oh yeah, that's so cute. All right, listen, I'm not doing too hot here, okay? Who are we missing? We're missing Bubble Time, Twinsies, Beds. Oh, one's really heavy. Oh, these are, okay, these two are heavy. This one's not so heavy. I think this one's gonna be Bubble Bath Time. It has to be. It has to be. Oh no, yay! Okay. It is not that one, but who gives a shit because it's my favorite one. Oh my God, you are the, oh, shut the up. Shut the up. I love you so much. Oh my God, look at you. Okay, so this is twinsies, okay? This is the whole reason why we wanted this whole thing, okay? Look how cute he is. They are twinsies. He is so sweet. He has a little zipper here. I love him so fucking much. Oh my God. Oh, there's his card. Oh my God. I'm so happy. And now I could care less, okay? If we don't get one of the other ones, but we get the secret, that's amazing. Here's to that. You know what? I'm going to say, because these are kind of both really heavy, maybe they're not. Maybe the shaky thingies, that's what's throwing me off because, which is very smart on their part. It's making all the boxes kind of feel oddly heavy, but they're not really heavy. So kudos on them for that. So let's see. I think this one's gonna be, I think this was gonna be bedtime stories. I knew it was gonna be the other one. Oh, bitch. Oh, he looks like a loofah. Shut the up. So this one is Bubble Bath Time. That one's so cute. Oh my God, you're so cute. Oh, I love that. Oh, I love that. Oh, you're fun. You're so fun. You're also, you kind of get all over the place. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay. Here we have the card. Adorable. We have one box left. I'm going to say this is bedtime stories. I did not guess one right at all today, but listen, I will not be upset if we got the secret. So let's see what we got. Oh, okay. Listen, you're cute. Oh, you're reading a ghost story. Ah, okay, bitch. Oh, that is so sweet. I love that. Okay, you know what? I'm really happy I got this one because I think I would be really sad if I didn't because I didn't realize it had like a little ghost story right there. That is so cute. Now, granted, listen, the secret is kind of amazing. Kind of sad that we didn't get the secret, but whatever. It's all good. It's all good, friend. It's all good. So here we go. Here's the little card. Now, here's my favorite thing to do. I like ranking them. I also am very happy that I got this whole series. I thought like, oh, I don't know, if, you know, maybe I shouldn't get it. Maybe I should just really get the Target one, but I think they're all so cute. So I'm not upset at all that I have all of them. I'm actually very happy that I did get that because I don't think I could live without them. Okay, so my least favorite, but still adorable as fuck, is gonna be this guy. I think Crushing It is really cute. Oh, you are so cute. You're wearing a hoodie, bud. No, I take that back. Purely off aesthetics alone, we're gonna say Bubble Bath Time. I think this one's really cute. I like that it looks like a loofah. However, this shit sheds like a mother. So we're gonna say that is number 6. Then it's gonna be Crushing It because I think the other ones are slightly cuter than this one, but I do like that he has a little hoodie on. And he's like jazzercising. I love that. So then I'm gonna say number 4. Yeah, oh, I don't know. See, this is where it kind of gets a little hard, but I'm gonna say this guy. which is bedtime stories. While I do appreciate and love the fact that it has a little ghost story thing, I think that's super cute. I think the other ones in this collection are a little bit cuter. So we'll say that's number 4. Number 3, Bananas for You. I love this so much, and I could see myself wearing this in Universal Studios. And having children admire it, and I go to them, you know, don't touch. I love this. So I would say this is number 3. Number 2, this is Rain Lover. Not only is this giving me Gorton's Fisherman vibes, I Know What You Did Last Summer. And for those 2 very reasons, I adore the shit out of this one. And plus, it rains a lot in Florida. So to have this and me, and we're both in little ponchos, I think that is the cutest thing ever. And yes, I am unwell, okay? But it's so cute though. Like, come on, bitch. But number 1, and the whole reason why we're in this mess to begin with, is little twinsies. I just love you so much, my little fun little guy. I just think he's so cute. And this is something that I could see myself wearing a lot, actually, because he's cute. He's a little tiny bear, and he has his little bear friend on top of him. Like, he is the cutest fucking thing I've ever seen in my life, and I love him so very much. So never talk to me or my son ever again. Okay. Now I want to hear from y'all. Let me know down below if you got suckered into this collection, and if so, which one is your favorite, or did you get the secret? If you did, please make me feel jealous in the comments. Thank you. And of course, I want to say thank you so much to my beautiful patrons and YouTube members for keeping this garbage boat afloat. We love your, right? We love your faces, and we'll see you little garbage cans tomorrow. Bye.